Ontario Beach Park. Today we did a beach cleanup. We spent 3 hours with about 20 people trying to dig out all sorts of trash and stuff that would harm the environment and harm the animals in it. So we did some tallying of garbage. We weighed the garbage that we collected. Today we found some pretty unusual things. We found a pretty sharp hunting knife almost, or fishing knife. Also some not good things that you want to be careful about, kind of drug paraphernalia stuff. We have to be careful with that. Probably the number one item in terms of quantity is certainly the cigarette butts.
What do you want students to take away from this experience?
One thing is, doing the community service, a lot of the people here were very supportive and thanked us and were curious about what we were doing. We were actually collecting data and cleaning the environment, and in some cases feeding the wildlife. There was a bunch of squirrels, one that was named Walter, that got quite a bit of food from some of the students who took a little break and fed Walter. I think the idea is that the students are kind of out in the community helping for the greater good.